Good morning once again. And in the last lecture, we have seen the construction and working of Pelton wheel turbine. Now, actually, how Pelton wheel moves, how the nozzle arrangement is there, that particular part we are going to see in actual video. And in that video, a small model of this Pelton wheel turbine, the model which is utilized for the experimentation, it has been put in front of you and it is explained. Okay, so you just concentrate on Pelton wheel turbine. In front of your screen now, the that particular video will start. This is actually the model of turbine, Pelton wheel turbine. And this particular model is utilized to carry on, to conduct some of the experiments in the subject of fluid mechanics. Okay. This particular subject you will have to deal when you will enter in a civil engineering or mechanical engineering. So for that particular purpose, this instrument or this model is specially reserved for the experimentation. So this is experimentation model. This is not actual model. Okay. So this is the runner and bucket arrangement. You can see on its periphery, n number of buckets has been put, has been attached, and at the left corner here, at your left hand side corner, you can see the nozzle arrangement here. This arrangement is the nozzle arrangement. Okay. And it is kept in one of the transparent cover. It is all such a runner arrangement is mounted inside the cover, and here for the experimentation purpose, this cover is whatever provided, it is a transparent one. Okay. So this particular cover under which the whole mechanism of Pelton wheel is kept, that particular cover is known as a casing. So here they are explaining now. The nozzle arrangement you can see very clearly in this particular view. At this center juncture, one pointer you can observe over here, and that particular pointer is nothing but one small structure which is nothing but the nozzle. And this pointer you can take at front side or you can टेक इट बैक, उसके आप आगे या पीछे कर सकते हो. और उसके लिए एक व्हील अरेंजमेंट लगी हुई रहती है। So this is wheel, and this particular wheel arrangement is responsible for the movement of the nozzle. So this is actually the important structure on which your Pelton wheel turbine is going to move. So this is actually the bucket design you are observing on your screen. See, this bucket design is like a cup shaped, and in that cup shape there are two parts, okay, and one slot is provided, because whatever water is going to be thrown on this particular bucket, that water should drain properly, should go properly, should come out properly from that particular uh, cup, and it should provide motion to that cup, due to which cup can go in a forward direction, which is nothing but the anti-clockwise direction, and due to that runner should move. That's why in that whole cup there are two parts are made. It is like a like I am just telling, ये आपको कैसे दिखता है कि अगर आपने टोमेटो को बीच में से अगर कट किया तो वो शेप जैसा दिखता है, इट इज लुक अलाइक, वो उस जैसे दिखता है, एग्जैक्टली वैसा नहीं रहता है, उस जैसे दिखता है। And the important thing is, if you are going to find an angle with the water flow which is coming out from the nozzle and your cup, this angle is around 160 degree. So you can see, I will show you. If you want to measure the angle of water jet to the cup, so this angle is around 160 डिग्री, और उस एंगल में ये जो सारे बकेट्स हैं, ये बकेट्स आपके रनर पे पुट किए हुए रहते हैं। So here the bucket and the water jet splitter you can see in this particular photograph. Buckets are made up of either the stainless steel or the aluminum. It may be require not that much heavy metal. It require a simple metal which has less weight, because there should not be any losses should happen in that particular process. So number of buckets arranged on the periphery of the runner I have shown in the top photograph, and in the bottom photograph the bucket and its splitter. Splitter means in that particular bucket there is a one vertical small wall. Due to that particular wall, the bucket is going to be subdivided into two equal halves. Okay, here you can see the first half is here and second half is just beside it, and these two halves are separated by a small thick wall. Okay, that is nothing but the splitter. So the bucket arrangement and splitter arrangement is clear to you people. Now we are going to move ahead, and I will dictate you regarding with the working of our Pelton wheel turbine. So take your pen and write down working of working of working of Pelton wheel turbine. Pelton wheel turbine. Pelton wheel turbine. Number one, first point, water which is coming water which is coming water which is coming from the dam from the dam from the dam will be will be will be impinged 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 on impinged on the double cup impinged on the double cup impinged on the double cup shaped 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 blades 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 through nozzle through nozzle through nozzle. Point number 2. Point number 2. Kinetic energy kinetic energy kinetic energy is converted into pressure energy at the end of nozzle at the end of nozzle at the end of nozzle at the end of nozzle. Full stop. Full stop. Water is coming out. Water is coming out. Water is coming out from the nozzle from the nozzle from the nozzle in the form of in the form of jet in the form of jet in the form of jet. Point number 3. Deflector, 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 deflector deflects, 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 deflector deflects the water flow, the water flow, the water flow towards the blade, towards the blade, towards the blade. Towards the blade. Full stop. Water jet is, water jet is, water jet is impinged, impinged on the blade, on the blade, full stop. Blades are fixed, blades are fixed, blades are fixed to the runner, to the runner at its periphery, at its periphery, at its periphery. Full stop. Runner gets, runner gets, runner gets, runner gets rotary motion, runner gets rotary motion due to the kinetic energy, due to kinetic energy of water jet, of water jet, which is tangential to the runner, which is tangential to the runner. Tangential to the runner. Runner is mounted, runner is mounted runner is mounted on the shaft, on the shaft. Runner is mounted on the shaft. Full stop. Therefore shaft will also get, therefore shaft will also get rotary motion, rotary motion, rotary motion. Next point, turbine shaft, turbine shaft turbine shaft is coupled with, turbine shaft is coupled with generator shaft, generator shaft, generator shaft generator shaft, full stop. Electricity is generated, electricity is generated, electricity is generated with the help of generator, with the help of generator with the help of generator full stop. Next point, energy conversion, energy conversion, energy conversion in case of, in case of Peltonville, Peltonville is as follows, is as follows, is as follows. Is as follows. First of all, you write at extreme left hand side hydraulic energy, hydraulic energy, hydraulic energy. Then forward arrow, forward arrow, forward arrow means it is a mark, forward arrow. Don't write forward arrow in this way. आगे की दिशा में आपको एक बाणांकित चिन्ह दिखाना है. ओके, फॉरवर्ड एरो. मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी, हाइड्रोलिक एनर्जी, फॉरवर्ड डायरेक्शन एरो, मैकेनिकल एनर्जी. वंस अगेन फॉरवर्ड एरो, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी, इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी. Now the next part, next line, hydraulic brake, hydraulic brake in bracket braking jet, in bracket braking jet is used to stop the runner, to stop the runner at the time of maintenance of turbine, at the time of maintenance of turbine, maintenance of turbine, maintenance of turbine. Next line. Another opening at the end of turbine, another opening at the end of turbine at the end of turbine through which water is flowing towards tail race, tail race, tail race, tail race. Next line. It is also called as impulse turbine 2, impulse turbine 2, impulse turbine 2, impulse turbine 2. Okay, so this is all about the first type of turbine, which is nothing but the Pelton wheel turbine. In our college also, in fluid mechanics lab, that particular model is available. When our college will start, you can visit to those labs and you can see the small structure or model of this Pelton wheel. Now, next turbine. Hello.
Spare wheel सज्जी wheel है
Is the Francis turbine. Now, why it is named as a Francis, that part you know, because the scientist Mr. Francis has invented this type of the turbine. Once again, the turbine which is you are observing in the picture, it is one kind of the model. Actual Francis turbines which are utilized to generate the electricity are very large in its shape and its size, but only how that particular your Francis turbine is look like, the 3D view I have put in front of you. Why 3D view purposefully I have put? Because when you will see the 3D view, you will understand it's a two-dimensional diagram. Okay, so this is the 2D view of your Francis turbine. So in this Francis turbine, there are number of mechanical elements or the parts are included. Francis turbine is one kind of the reaction turbine, and water is entered from the top end of water source, or you can say that it is brought to that particular Francis turbine at its top position through the penstock. Now here you can see in this turbine, water is brought inside from this particular top topside pipe. Okay, here you can see this topside pipe, this pipe. Water is brought inside this particular turbine. Okay. So water is brought inside through this particular turbine, and then its process is going to start. Francis turbine. So in this Francis turbine, from the top side pipe, the penstock is going to be attached to this top side pipe, and water is brought inside the Francis turbine. ऊपर का जो पार्ट दिखाया गया है उस सर्कुलर पाइप को पेनस्टॉक अटैच किया जाता है और वहां से वाटर अंदर लिया जाता है. देन द सेकंड पार्ट, द वाटर इज कमिंग इनसाइड एंड इट इज मूविंग थ्रू स्पाइरल केसेस. फ्रॉम स्पाइरल केसिंग इट इज एंटरिंग into this guide vein. From guide vein it is entering into the guide wheel, and from guide wheel it is entering into the runner. After moving the runner, the remaining water it is taken outside through this Francis turbine draft tube. Here you can see one the tube, it has been shown, which is in increasing area. अगर आप नीचे नीचे जाओगे तो इस पाइप का एरिया जो है वो इंक्रीज होते जाएगा. ऐसे ट्यूब को कहते हैं ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब. ओके, एंड उस ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब से जो कुछ वाटर है वो वाटर नीचे कलेक्ट किया जाता है. इसमें हियर इन दिस फ्रांसिस टर्बाइन द फर्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट mechanical element is spiral casing. What is the spiral casing? Spiral casing is nothing but cover for the Francis turbine. This casing, that casing is very much essential because in this type of the turbine, two types of the energies are utilized to move the runner. So casing is required for every kind of the turbine, and water is taken inside this particular casing through the penstock. So penstock is nothing but the pipe which carries water from dam or from water source to that particular turbine. Then second part is nothing but the guide wheel. You can see here inside this particular structure there is a wheel. Here you can see this particular wheel. This wheel is nothing but the guiding wheel. What do you mean by guiding wheel? Guiding wheel is nothing but a stationary wheel on which curved blades are present. It is a stationary wheel on which curved blades are present, which gives the direction to the water flow. We know that water is coming from the top side, water ऊपर से आता है और इस स्पाइरल केसिंग होने की वजह से सर्कुलर फ्लो लेके इस टरबाइन के अंदर जब वाटर घूमता है, at that time this guide wheel is stationary on which guide vanes are attached, and that particular guide vanes are providing direction to the water flow. ऊपर से जो पानी आके सर्कुलर फ्लो में बहना स्टार्ट होता है उसको ये गाइडिंग वेन और गाइडिंग व्हील मैकेनिज्म जो है वो डायरेक्शन देता है. एंड इट इज very much important because whatever water is coming inside to that Francis turbine through the penstock, it is consuming two types of the energy. One is pressure energy obviously, and second is nothing but kinetic energy of your water. Okay, so these two energies, it is a combination of the two energies, and that's why this particular guide wheel and guide vane mechanism is very much important because it is giving the direction to the water which is coming inside the Francis turbine. टर्बाइन के अंदर आने वाले पानी को ये एक डायरेक्शन देती है एंड दैट्स व्हाई दिस गाइड व्हील इज वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट. देन द इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट as usual we have seen in a previous turbine also, that is nothing but the runner. But the runner of the Francis turbine is quite different than the Pelton wheel turbine. Here there are also runner vanes are provided. In the runner there is no bucket arrangement, so the runner is nothing but a circular disc on which the curve blades are mounted. So you can see the runner over here. This is the runner which is exactly at the center. So this all part is of the runner, and these are nothing but the vanes. Okay, curved blades, small. Here there are no any kind of the bucket. Curved blades are provided, and these particular curved blades are also known as another type of the guiding vanes. These vanes are also named as a guiding vanes. Now the last part which is attached to the bottom side of this Francis turbine is nothing but draft tube. This draft tube is nothing but the diffuser. Diffuser is the concept which is totally opposite to the nozzle. नोजल में क्या रहता है? नोजल में इनपुट का जो एरिया रहता है वो ज्यादा रहता है और आउटपुट का जो एरिया रहता है वो कम रहता है. उसकी वजह से वाटर का जो प्रेशर है वो बढ़ जाता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ नोजल. नोजल आप सबको पता है, हमने पहले भी देखा है. कहां? पेल्टन व्हील टर्बाइन में बकेट पे जो वाटर जेट हम वहां लगाते हैं, वहां हमने नोजल देखा है. नोजल क्या रहता है कि उसका इनपुट का जो क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया है वो ज्यादा रहता है और जब हम आउटपुट के डायरेक्शन में मूव होते हैं तो एरिया कम होने लगता है. डिफ्यूजर इज टोटली डिफरेंट अरेंजमेंट. डिफ्यूजर में क्या होता है कि जहां इनपुट हम लेते हैं वहां का जो एरिया होता है वो कम होता है और जैसे जैसे हम आगे जाते हैं जहां से वाटर आउट होता है वहां का एरिया जो होता है वो लार्ज होता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली इट इज टू रिड्यूस द प्रेशर ड्रॉप. ये क्यों ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर इस ड्राफ्ट ट्यूब का क्यों बना है? क्योंकि प्रेशर में जो डिक्रीज इन द प्रेशर you want to feel that particular decrement is brought into that particular water flow with the help of this particular draft tube. So these are the important mechanical element. Water which is taken from the penstock, then spiral casing, guiding wheel which is stationary one on which curved blades are there, then runner and guiding vanes. So runner is a rotating disc on which curved blades, which are nothing but curved vanes, are fitted. Then draft tube is fixed to that particular turbine to bring all the water outside from the spiral casing. And that particular draft tube, it has the diffuser like arrangement where intake area or input area is less and output area is more. Okay, this is all about the structure of Francis turbine. In our next lecture we are going to write the construction of Francis turbine and then we will see working of the Francis turbine. So in between I think 60 students were present, but right now only 57 I am observing. I will take attendance of those 57 only, and I will not waste today time to take personal attendance. I will record it and I will put it. So sharp at 11 a.m. means after 7 minutes, you will have to join your guest lecture, and please, without fail, you attend this lecture, because it is very much important as far as creative thinking point of view, which is required in our day-to-day life as an engineer. Okay, so have a nice day. Thank you very much. Be in touch. And today the additional video link also I will provide in our that all detail diary, from which you can refer the videos and study material. Okay, I will put there the link, you can see, because in Zoom it is quite difficult to run the videos. You might have experienced it. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, you can leave, no problem at all from my, sorry, don't leave. Just a minute, don't leave. Please don't leave. Okay, now you can leave. You can take break of 5 minutes and then you can join once again.